For centuries, we relied on non-renewable resources, coal, oil, and natural gas. But have we ever stopped to ask, at what cost? These resources takes million years to form, but we consume them in mere decades. With every extraction, we deplete our planet resources and push nature to its limits. Burning fossil fuels releases a massive amount of carbon dioxide, fueling climate change, polluting the air we breathe, and endangering ecosystems worldwide. The solution? A shift toward renewable energy, clean, sustainable, and limitless. The power of the sun, wind, and water can fuel our future without destroying it. The choice is ours. Continue down the path of depletion or invest in a future where energy is clean, abundant, and sustainable. What will you choose? Join the movement, reduce, rethink, and transition to renewable energy today, because tomorrow depends on what we do now.